All right, we got these amazing cowboy themed decorations, great for parties, some sort of cowboy themed party. Great. So, total of 9 pieces. I've got 8 right here. So, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 9. I'll show you to put this together in just a second. But this is the vibe right here. So, you got the decoration, shows the sign on both sides. And you got this fan, it fans out for the stand. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these types of the fans, but different. There's each of them have different decorations on the top. So I'm just going to give you a run through of what they all look like. Got the saloon one right here, and you've got this one. I'll show you the other one in just a second as I put it together. These are a total of, or they're anywhere between like 17 to 20 centimeters tall. Then you've got these, where there's just 4 sides and they just stand up on their own. This one, and then you got this one right here. And so I'll show you right here how this works. So this one, that's this decoration right here. This is the fan thing at the bottom. I'm going to show you how to do that first. So you got these stickers on each side at the end. We basically want to pull the sticker. If I can get my fingers underneath it. It hasn't been that hard until now. Okay, there we go. There we go. So peeling that off. Now that's sticky. Now, well, what we could do, let's just do this first. Come in here. Put it like so. So now it's stuck on, and this will fan out. Before we fan it out, let's go ahead and take the other sticker off. And there we go. And now what we'll do, we'll fan it out. Fan it all the way out. Hard to do it as I'm showing you. And then we'll just stick it to the other side of it. So now it's stuck to that side. And now we're good to go. Got our last decoration right here. We're ready for the party. You got to get these. Highly recommend.